So as a woman, if you happen to give birth to a baby boy who has a full thick hair, what will you do and how will you handle it? Will you like to plait it or will you leave it like that? So this is Ray's hair. Every time it is dry, like I pity this my son. This his hair has outgrown every big comb we have in his comb pack. And each time I try to comb it usually pains him. He will cry like mad. Unless I take personal care of it, like comb it one strand at a time, if you know what I mean, with the biggest comb we have, and then I will oil and moisturize it before I even do anything. So today we are sitting at home and I decided to give this hair a good care. So I had to give it a thorough wash today and then use his sister's little bit of conditioner to condition the hair so that it will soften it for me to even comb it or put comb inside it. Now you could see the hair is rising. I am giving it oil massage with a little bit of ori and pears oil, his pears oil, and look at the hair, how it is rising. Like I am taking my time to comb it little by little, and you can see he's not crying at this moment. Guys, like if I'm combing this hair on a normal day, he will cry. I've devised means, I've tried my best to get a way that if I'm doing combing his hair, he will not cry. But at the end of the day, anytime he sees comb himself, he starts running, he starts crying. So I'm just taking my time here to massage the hair with those oils and to make sure that I am combing and detangling the hair small. So it's been like 2 weeks now that I've not touched his hair. We only bet and then I will wash the hair and leave it. And he's not even up to a year. And we are in rainy season like this. I can't even cut this hair now. So today I said, since I'm home, I'm free, let me just try and see if this pattern will work. And it's working, guys. He relaxed on my lap and I'm doing this hair care. He is not crying. I'm so excited I finally got a means. Guys, I had to plait this hair. I will plait this hair at least to give him some relief. How can a boy have this kind of thick hair? And the hair is rubber hair, like all this stretchy plastic rubber hair. I cannot even weave it all back and it will just, look at it now, look at this place I'm holding now. You could tell the hair is slimy. It will not come out fine if I weave it all back. So I decided to just do it kobo one like this. That is to help breeze enter his head, like, and to relieve him so that I will not be combing, I will not have to comb this hair all the time. So this is the last one I am doing, and those hair fancy I use is from his sister's hair care pack, and I boiled them to remove any dirt or germ from entering. And look at him, he's not happy. The hair is giving, right? So guys, mothers, women, tell me, if you have a son, a baby boy like this with this kind of hair, would you leave him? Would you be combing it every day, even with the pens he's passing through? Will you cut it? What will you do, guys? Let me know in the comment section. Bye, guys.